What's up guys, welcome to the Beer Branding channel. Today I'm going to show you the top five Shopify themes that we are currently using and we are currently obsessed with. Oh my God! Including one amazing theme that it's not in the official Shopify theme store, so you want to stick around for the end of the video for that. And as always, before we get started, I just want to say welcome to everyone new. My name is Christian Pignon, one of the co-founders here at Bit Branding. We have been helping frustrated store owners since 2015 become impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. If you want to support our channel, then hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. With that out of the way, let's get started. So I'm actually going to show you here on the computer a few of the themes that I'm going to be talking about today. The number one theme that we're obsessed with is Motion. Motion is by Architect Type Themes. One of the main reasons I love this theme is the smooth animations. Let me show you here an example. Let's go into view demo and I'm going to show you some of the animations. So even right off the bat, you'll see that they'll have a video hero section at the very top, logo, navigation on top of the video. It just looks very clean, right? Super cool. And whenever you scroll into view, you'll see that little animation for that collection right here. Very cool. We have a pop-up. I'm gonna close that out. Again, this is not a video, but it's just animating some of those pictures. Like having a, what is that called? Like a burn kern, something like that. So where the image is just slowly moving. See gift cards. You see like that slight animation whenever we see this collection list right here. Again, just slight animations. You can have videos for your product images. Instead of product image, you can actually do a product video. Super sleek. Again, just more subtle animations all throughout the website. Architect Themes, they do an excellent job with their themes. So they are packed full of really good features. I think Motion gives you a very premium look and feel. If you have single products or just a smaller catalog of products, I would say Motion is one of my favorites for this type of site. You can also still use it if you have a larger catalog. They also have one of their main features here. You can see it's a quick product filtering. So it allows the customers to filter through products by tags without necessarily having to load the page again. So it's just a little bit quicker for your customer to view products. Motion also supports, again, loop-in videos instead of just product images. Super easy to use, and their support team, Archetype Themes, they're super amazing. Every time that we have any problems, we send a message to them and they're always super responsive. And then with Archetype Themes, they also have the ability to make custom pages. And we talked about this in previous videos where you can fully customize other sections like the product page or even an about page. Instead of just relying on Shopify's just back-end stuff, you can actually create really cool pages for those. All right, so there you have it. Number one is Motion. Second one on the list, we're gonna switch here, is Empire by Pixel Union. This is an amazing sort of Amazon style Shopify theme. It's loaded with robust functionality to support large product catalogs and high volume stores. So a few features to highlight. It's the live search. It lets you show search results and quick links for products. So let me just go into the demo real quick to show you how that looks. Let's see, it looks like they have sort of gadgets and stuff. So let me just type in, I don't know, speaker. Perfect. See, so the search, after you're typing things, it gives you some results for the products that you may have on your store. And not just products, but also pages and posts. So it can also search for your blog post, or if you have an about page and you mention the word speaker, it should show up here on the quick search results. Another really good feature that I've never seen on any other store is the Instagram inspired shoppable images. So you can do up to 5 quick shop hotspots. And I believe they showcased that on this one. You can kind of see the hotspots right there. Let me do view demo. This is super cool. So Shopify, or not Shopify, but Instagram actually added this as part of their shopping experience. So you'll see those little tags. So when you hover over certain of these tags, you'll see the actual product that you want to highlight. So very cool if you want to take lifestyle images and then for your people to be able to just shop those products. This could work for literally anything. If you're a boutique, for example, and you have a whole outfit, you can very quickly and easily and very sleek showcase those products for the customer to shop. Super cool. Okay, and then the other bigger thing here is advanced product filtering. It allows you to filter by type and sort by bestsellers and pricing, etc. Again, this is a Amazon inspired theme, so they have a lot of the features that you would need for a big catalog of products. The theme overall, it's really good, really sleek. Again, Pixel Union is another one of those bigger template sellers on Shopify, so their support, it's excellent. Same with Archetype Themes. Super good. We love this. This is just really cool. Amazing. I love it. Again, I want to say stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you that one theme that not a lot of people talk about, but it's highly customizable, super easy to use, and it's not on the Shopify theme store, so stick around for that. All right, so our next theme is Impulse by, again, Archetype Themes. So similar to Motion in the sense of customizable product pages, customizable about pages, Archetype Themes, they have that. Again, support, they have that. I would say Impulse is for maybe a larger catalog stores. And again, I didn't mention this earlier, but all of these Shopify themes inside of the store, they have 3 styles. The styles you can always change back and forth. So if you're purchasing one of these and you maybe purchase the bold style of this theme, you can always switch it to clean or switch it to modern whenever you please in the actual theme settings. So that's kind of a little bit of a tidbit of information. But again, Impulse just for bigger stores and then stores that do a lot of promotions. This theme has a lot of that. It integrates very well with any sort of promotion on the footer. So you can have a sort of a sticky promotion footer on your collection pages. You can add promotions. So if you're the type of store that's always running maybe giveaways or different discounts or different promotions, this theme is amazing for that. I mean, there's a lot of spots and a lot of ways to promote that particular promotion, because this just all throughout the website, there's just little spots everywhere where you can add that information, and it makes it just a little bit more robust. Again, we love Impulse for those bigger catalog stores, so check it out if you have, I don't know, more than 50 products. All right, before we jump to the last 2 themes that I want to share with you today, I want to showcase this video right here. Hopefully it's going to be right here. It's going to be in the description down below as well. It's going to be how to increase traffic with TikTok. It's one of our latest Shopify tutorial series videos, so go check it out. Coming in at number 4, this is a very highly regarded theme. I feel like a lot of people know about this theme, and it's called Turbo by Out of the Sandbox. I believe Out of the Sandbox used to be in the Shopify store, theme store. For some reason, they're not there anymore. They're on their own website. Now, these last 2 themes, they're not in the Shopify store. So typically I would say that themes that are not in the Shopify store, try to stay away from them. You'll see a lot of articles out there that showcase some of the top themes out there, and some of them, or a lot of them, are not included in the actual theme store. I would try to shy away from some of those. I made the mistake one time to install one from, I believe, Envato Markets. I bought one. It was super cheap. It looked amazing. It looked like it had a bunch of really good features, but it was very slow. I mean, it bogged down with code. The support was terrible. The features inside, they were like just all over the place. It wasn't organized well. It was a nightmare. So even though the pricing may seem better, just try to shy away from themes that are outside of the Shopify theme store. Now, when it comes to Out of the Sandbox, I would say the opposite, obviously, because we're promoting these themes right here. But Turbo is probably one of the most well-known because of the speed and performance. So it's a little bit pricier than the last 3 that I've showed you. The last 3 that I showed you were in the actual Shopify store. They were around $180, I believe the pricing was. So this one, Turbo, is $350. And again, it's highly well known in the dropshipping community because of its speed. And I believe it has a, I don't know what it's called. Yeah, like it has like a even a turbo, like ludicrous. You know how kind of like Teslas have like ludicrous mode, kind of like that, where it's just like way faster than normal, but it typically doesn't work with certain apps and certain things. So just kind of be careful with that. But overall, if you want a fast site, and that's one of the big things that you worry about, then Turbo is going to be one of the best and fastest and best performance out there. This one also has predictive search, so kind of like what we talked about with Empire. And then smart page preloading for ultra fast navigation. You can have CSS customization, so they make it a little bit easier for you to customize different things. You also have mega menus, which are like the big drop down menus that you see on some Shopify stores, where you can add images and different things like that. So again, oh, here it is, two speed settings, ludicrous and sport. Each mode is designed to keep the site running as quickly but also as smoothly as possible. I mean, this theme is, yeah, just, I mean, K-Swiss is using them, so that should tell you something. Check out the reviews. I mean, just amazing, super fast, best performance. And I wouldn't say it's the best style, but it looks nice, you know, for a theme. So, but again, they kind of include all that customization in there. So there you go, Turbo theme. All right, last but not least, this is the theme that I've been referring to for the rest of the video. It's called Flex.
I'm built different.
Again, by Out of the Sandbox. This is the most configurable theme on the market. There's nothing else like it. And the price tag tells you why. It comes at $450. But this theme offers multiple layouts, multiple section options. You can easily add more customization with CSS. Out of the gate, they actually give you 13 unique style variants to get you started, whereas the other ones kind of give you those 3 styles, right? This one gives you 13, so I'm gonna kind of show you, I believe it's right here. Flexible layouts. Yeah, so 13 styles included. Literally for any type of store out there, they probably have a layout that will just fit perfectly with that particular category. If you're talking about jewelry, or maybe cosmetics, or furniture, or shoes, or boutiques, or food items, like this theme works for everything. If you can see here, this little animation right here, you can see that even the navigation, for example, or the footer, let me kind of move that a little bit. It's, again, you can put the logo in the middle, logo on the top, search button coming from the side. Like the amount of customizations per section is just never before seen on any other theme. And it's just freaking amazing. So just a little disclaimer out there, we haven't necessarily used this, but I've heard about this for a long time. And I remember it was a couple years ago when they were still in development and kind of just showcasing and telling us like, hey, this is coming out, this is coming out, this is coming out. It takes a few things from Turbo, which like optimization and speed is also important. But I think the biggest thing, and that's why they call it Flex, is just it's highly customizable. So if you're looking for a particular store where you want your dreams to come true, then Flex theme is going to be the one for you. It comes at a higher price range, $450, but again, if you care about how it looks, this is the actual theme for you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to hear from you. Leave some comments down below. What are some of your favorite themes? Obviously, these are some of our favorites. These are not necessarily the top themes out there, but we want to hear from you. What themes have you used that you absolutely love? Leave that down below. Give us some links. Give us the reasons. And again, if you like this video, make sure to hit that button, that like button, because it alerts the YouTube algorithm monkeys to show this video to other people. All right, we'll see you in the next time. Take care.